Are you looking to lose weight fast? Whether you have a special event coming up or just want to feel better in your own skin, weight loss can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we're here to help. Here are the top 10 tips for losing weight fast. Tip number 1, set realistic goals. Start by setting realistic weight loss goals. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, and remember that slow and steady wins the race. Tip number 2, track your calories. Keep track of the calories you're consuming each day. This will help you stay within your daily calorie budget and make healthier food choices. Tip number 3, eat more protein. Make sure to include plenty of protein in your diet. Protein will help you feel full and satisfied, and it's essential for building and repairing muscle. Tip number 4, cut out processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories and low in nutrients. Cut out as many processed foods as possible and replace them with whole, natural foods. Tip number 5, drink more water. Drinking enough water is essential for weight loss. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day to stay hydrated and keep your metabolism running smoothly. Tip number 6, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain, so make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Tip number 7, don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later on. Instead, eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism going. Tip number 8, exercise regularly. Regular exercise is essential for weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each day, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Tip number 9, find support. Losing weight can be tough, so it's important to find support. Join a weight loss group, talk to a friend or personal trainer, or find an online community to help you stay on track. Tip number 10, be patient. Remember, weight loss takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and don't give up. With hard work and dedication, you can reach your weight loss goals. Don't lose your time. You can do it. Thanks for watching, and follow us and subscribe my channel also. Don't forget to like button and share to your friends.